Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're about to explore the exciting world of drones. I've scoured the market to bring you the 5 best drones you can buy this year. These drones are at the cutting edge of technology, delivering stunning performance, convenience, and affordability. Whether you're an aspiring photographer or a tech enthusiast, you won't want to miss this lineup. So let's jump right in and discover the perfect drone for your needs. Number 5. DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo Drone. Introducing the DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo with DJI RC2, a drone that's redefining the game. With dual primary cameras, including a medium telephoto and wide angle, it's a dream for travel photographers. Enjoy a remarkable 46-minute flight time, a 48% boost from its predecessor, and fly worry-free with omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Capture stunning 48-megapixel images for high-quality crops. Plus, the O4HE transmission ensures clear and reliable footage up to 20 kilometers away. If you're serious about your aerial photography or videography, the DJI Air 3 is a game-changer you won't want to miss. Number 4. DJI Mavic 3 Classic Drone. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic, a drone designed for professionals and tech enthusiasts. With a maximum flight time of 46 minutes, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and a 15 kilometers HD video transmission range, this drone is a powerhouse. It even includes a GRC remote controller with a 5.5-inch HD display for easy operation. Plus, features like waypoint flight and AR return to home make it a top choice for aerial photography and videography. Upgrade your drone game with the Mavic 3 Classic. Number 3. Potensic Atom Southeast GPS Drone. Introducing the Potensic Atom Southeast GPS Drone, a game-changer in the world of drones. This featherweight wonder, weighing under 249 grams, boasts a 4K EIS camera for stunning photos and video. Its advanced Shake Vanish tech ensures silky smooth images within a wide field of view. With a 62-minute flight time, sporty 16 miles per second speeds, and 4-key FPV transmission, it's an aerial powerhouse. Safety features like GPS auto-return and creative flight modes make it a standout choice for both beginners and pros. If you're seeking an exceptional drone experience, this one's a top pick. Number 2. DJI Mini 2 Southeast Drone. Introducing the DJI Mini 2 Southeast, a lightweight, foldable marvel that weighs under 249 grams. Perfect for adventures, it offers 31 minutes of flight time and an incredible 10 kilometers transmission range. Even beginners will find it a breeze with its simplified controls and return-to-home function for added safety. Plus, the DJI Fly app makes capturing epic shots effortless. This drone is your ticket to exploring the world from a whole new perspective. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Pro Drone. We're taking a close look at the DJI Mini 3 Pro, a game-changer in the world of drones. Weighing under 249 grams, it's travel-friendly and doesn't require registration in most places. But its small size doesn't mean it skimps on performance. With 48-megapixel photos and features like true vertical shooting and a 34-minute flight time, it's a creative powerhouse. Safety isn't an afterthought either, with tri-directional obstacle sensing. Plus, it comes with a GRC, featuring a 5.5-inch HD display for easy viewing, even in bright sunlight. Let's see if this drone truly soars above the rest. I'm truly grateful for your time spent here today. If you found value in this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. You'll find all the products links you need in the description below. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time, take care and keep thriving.